Hamas chief Ismail Haniyeh arrived in Tehran on Wednesday to attend the funeral of Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi, just days after the International Criminal Court announced it was seeking his arrest for war crimes. The ceremony saw the presence of top army generals, Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps leaders, and representatives from regional militant groups as Iranian leaders mourned Raisi, who was 63 and died in a helicopter crash on Sunday. This marked Haniyeh's first public appearance since the ICC announcement on Monday. Speaking to mourners at Tehran University, he said, "I come in the name of the Palestinian people, in the name of the resistance factions of Gaza, to express our condolences." Haniyeh recounted his meeting with Raisi during Ramadan and reiterated calls for support for the Palestinian cause, urging the Muslim world to fulfill its obligations. The funeral ceremony was one of several planned before Raisi's burial in Mashhad on Thursday. Hamas belongs to the Axis of Resistance, a coalition of Iran-backed movements hostile to Israel and the United States, which also includes Lebanon's Hezbollah and various Iraqi militias. Hezbollah's Deputy Secretary General Naim Qassem was present in Tehran for the funeral of Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi. Thousands of Raisi supporters turned out in the capital on Wednesday as mourning ceremonies continued for the president and his entourage. The ongoing war in Gaza was a focal point during the funerals. In Tehran, a master of ceremonies chanted "Death to Israel" on Wednesday, and Palestinian flags were flown during a funeral procession in Tabriz on Tuesday. Iran-aligned militant groups including Hamas in Gaza, Hezbollah on Lebanon's southern border with Israel, and the Houthis in the Red Sea, where they have attacked commercial and military ships allegedly linked to Israel, paid tribute to Raisi. Hamas lauded him as a tireless supporter of the Palestinian resistance. In the city centre, mourners clutching portraits of Raisi gathered at the University of Tehran, where Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei led the prayers. Flanked by top officials, Khamenei prayed over the coffins of the deceased, which included Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdollahian. The helicopter carrying President Ibrahim Raisi, Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdollahian, and other Iranian officials crashed on Sunday in a fog-shrouded mountainside in northern Iran. They were en route to the city of Tabriz after attending the inauguration of a dam project on the border with Azerbaijan.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.